Now let's talk about the seventh feature, and that is India is a secular state. The Constitution declares India to be a secular state. That means there is no official religion of India. Every person is free to profess, practice, and propagate any faith or to follow none. The state may intervene in religious practices only to maintain public order, health, and morality. Now let's talk about the eighth feature of India's constitution, and that is fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Part 3 of the constitution guarantees fundamental rights as equality before law, freedom of speech and expression, protection of life and personal liberty, and right to constitutional remedies, etc. These act as a shield for the individual against arbitrary action by the state. To balance rights with responsibilities, fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. They remind every citizen to respect Constitution, promote harmony, protect the environment, and to safeguard public property. Rights empowers the citizen, duties remind the citizens of obligations toward the nation. Let's talk about the ninth feature of India's constitution, and that is Directive Principles of State Policy. Part 4th of the Indian Constitution contains they are not enforceable by the courts, but they set the aims and objectives state to pursue, such as secure of living wage, free education for children, equal pay for equal work, protecting environment, and promoting international peace. They work as the normal compass for the government, guiding them to build a welfare and just society. Let's talk about the 10 salient features of Constitution of India, and that is universal adult franchise. India adopted universal adult franchise from 1950. Every citizen aged 18 plus has the right to vote, irrespective of its caste, religion, and gender or wealth. Unlike some other federations, we have only one citizenship, and that of India only. This avoids the dual citizenship model followed by other countries such as USA. This helps promote national unity and equal political status for all the citizens. Now let's talk about the second last salient feature of India's constitution, and that is emergency provisions. The constitution empowers the center to assume special powers during extraordinary situation. A national emergency can be declared in case of war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. A state emergency or president's rule can be imposed when a state government cannot function according to constitutional provisions, and a financial emergency can be proclaimed when the financial stability of country is under threat. While these provisions have occasionally been misused, they have also helped the country survive serious crises. Now let's talk about the last salient features of India's constitution, and that is special provisions for the weaker section of the society. The constitution provides political representation for weaker sections of the society and protective safeguards for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, and also for women, children's, and minorities. These measures aim to remove historical disadvantages and bring sections of the society into the national mainstream. So it was all about the salient features of Constitution of India, and I think that's enough for today. Thanks for watching.